Hey everyone, welcome back to Skyworld. Today, we're talking about something small, green, and seriously powerful, Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. It might look simple, but this little fruit is a nutritional powerhouse. So grab a seat and let's break down the top 10 health benefits of Amla, one juicy fact at a time. And yes, I'll also share how you can easily add it to your daily routine. Let's start with immunity, probably the number one reason people know Amla. It packs 20 times more vitamin C than an orange. That's right, 20 times. This super high antioxidant content helps boost white blood cells, fight infections, and protect you from everyday illnesses. And speaking of protection, what about the inside of your body? Amla helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increases good cholesterol, HDL. It also strengthens blood vessels and reduces plaque buildup. So yes, it literally helps keep your heart young, naturally. You know how we forget why we entered a room? Maybe Amla can help with that. Its antioxidants and phytonutrients improve memory, enhance focus, and might even help prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. And now, a benefit that's especially popular in Indian homes, Amla for hair. It strengthens the roots, promotes new growth, and prevents premature graying. That's why it's in nearly every Ayurvedic hair oil. And while it's working wonders on your hair, guess what else it's doing? Amla supports your liver's natural detox process and also helps flush out toxins through the kidneys. Perfect for those of us who love a weekend binge and then regret it on Monday. Every bite of Amla delivers a blast of antioxidants. These tiny compounds fight oxidative stress, slow down aging, and protect your body from chronic diseases. Speaking of aging, what about your skin? Vitamin C and antioxidants in Amla boost collagen, reduce pigmentation, and give your skin a natural glow. It's like skincare, from the inside out. Diabetic or pre-diabetic, Amla helps reduce blood sugar spikes. Studies have shown it improves insulin sensitivity and stabilizes glucose levels. Let's talk gut. Amla is rich in fiber, supports healthy digestion, and prevents constipation. It also stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes and supports a healthy microbiome. And as your gut feels better, guess what happens next? Amla increases your metabolism and helps burn fat more efficiently. Drinking Amla juice on an empty stomach can suppress appetite and support natural weight loss. Okay, so how do you eat it daily? Amla juice 1 shot in the morning. Amla powder in smoothies or warm water. Dried Amla or candy. Amla murabba, preserved, raw, if you can handle the tang. Even 1 small dose a day is enough to start seeing benefits. So whether you're looking to boost your immunity, level up your hair game, or just feel better every day, Amla has something for you. Drop a lemon emoji in the comments if you're going to try Amla this week. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your health tribe, and subscribe to Skyworld for more science-backed wellness content. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload.